مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, we shall continue learning our common verbs in Arabic. And as before, I'll give you the verb in the past tense, present tense, imperative, verbal noun, as well as illustrative sentences or phrases. Shall we start today's lesson with the verb to visit? Yes, and that is zara, past tense, yazuru, present tense, zur, imperative for masculine, zuri, imperative for feminine. And the noun is ziyaratun. Zara, yazuru, zur, zuri, ziyaratun. متى ستزورنا? متى ستزورنا? When would you visit us? سأزوركم قريبا إن شاء الله. سأزوركم قريبا إن شاء الله. I will visit you soon, God willing. أنا متطلع إلى زيارتكم. أنا متطلع إلى زيارتكم. I look forward to your visit. Now let's look at another verbs. Two verbs. Verb to be delighted, to be happy, and the verb to welcome. Let's start with the verb to be happy and to be delighted. And that is أسعد, past tense, يسعد, present tense, أسعد, imperative for masculine, أسعدي, imperative for feminine. And the noun is إسعاد. أسعد, يسعد, أسعد, أسعدي, إسعاد. We can say, before we illustrate it, let's give you the second verb, verb to welcome. And that is رحب, past tense, يرحب, present tense, رحب, imperative masculine, رحبي, imperative for feminine. And the noun is ترحيب. رحب, يرحب, رحب, رحبي, ترحيب. Okay, let's now illustrate both أسعد and رحب. سيسعدني أن أرحب بكم في منزلنا. سيسعدني أن أرحب بكم في منزلنا أو في بيتنا. I will be delighted to welcome you to our home. سيسعدني أن أرحب بكم في منزلنا أو في بيتنا. Now, next verb. And that's a verb to have a desire to do something, to like to do something. And then we're going to use another verb, which is a verb to receive somebody. Okay, let's start with the verb to express your desire to want something. And that is wadda, past tense, yawaddu, present tense, wadda, yawaddu. And the imperative is wadda for masculine, and imperative for feminine is waddi, and the noun is widdun or wuddun. So wadda, yawaddu, wadda, waddi, widdun or wuddun. Okay. And the verb to receive somebody is استقبل, past tense, يستقبل, present tense, استقبل, imperative, masculine, يستقبلي, imperative, feminine, and the noun is استقبال. استقبل, يستقبل, يستقبل, يستقبلي, استقبال. Okay. Illustration please, Imran. Yes. هل تود أن أستقبلك؟ هل تود أن أستقبلك في المطار؟ هل تود أن أستقبلك في المطار? Would you like me to meet you at the station, at the airport, مطار? هل تود أن أستقبلك في المطار? Would you like me to meet you at the airport? To come and receive you at the airport? هل تود أن أستقبلك في المطار? Next verb, and that's verb to appreciate and to thank. Okay, let's start with the verb to appreciate, and that is قدر, past tense, يقدر, present tense, قدر, imperative, masculine, قدري, imperative, feminine, and the noun is تقدير. قدر, يقدر, قدر, قدري, تقدير. The other verb, which is the verb to thank, is very familiar to you, is شكر, past tense, يشكر, present tense, أشكر, imperative, masculine, أشكري, imperative, feminine, and the noun is شكر. Okay. Illustration please. سأقدر وأشكر لكم ذلك. سأقدر وأشكر لكم ذلك. And that means I will appreciate and thank you for that. If you can meet me at the airport, سأقدر وأشكر لكم ذلك. I will appreciate and be very thankful to you for that. سأقدر وأشكر لكم ذلك. Okay. Next verb. And that verb is verb to honor somebody. And that is أكرم, past tense, يكرم, present tense, أكرم, imperative, masculine, أكرمي, imperative, feminine. إكرام is the noun. أكرم, يكرم, أكرم, أكرمي, إكرام. Okay. We can say أنتم تكرموننا دائما. أنتم تكرموننا دائما. You always honor us. أنتم تكرموننا دائما. You always honor us. ما شاء الله. شكرا جزيلا. The next verb is verb to give somebody a gift. And that is أهدى, past tense, يهدي, present tense, أهدي, imperative, masculine, أهدي, imperative, feminine, and the noun is إهداء, إهداء, or we can use هدية. Okay. Illustration of this would be أود أن أهدي لك هذا الجوال. أود, we know that already. Let's say I would like to. أود أن أهدي لك I would like to gift this mobile, or gift you this mobile telephone. أود أن أهدي لك هذا الجوال. جوال is telephone. أود أن أهدي لك هذا الجوال. Then next verb would be verb to bid farewell, to say goodbye to somebody. What's that verb? And that would be ودع, past tense. يودع, present tense. ودع, imperative, masculine. ودعي, imperative, feminine. توديع, توديع is the noun. وداعا. توديع. Okay. ودع, يودع, ودع, ودعي, توديع. Okay. Illustration. I can say سآتي معك. سآتي معك ليودعك في المطار. سآتي, we know the verb أتى يأتي, إتيان before. سآتي معك لأودعك في المطار. I will come with you to bid you farewell at the airport. سآتي معك إلى المطار, if you like. I'll come with you to the airport. لأودعك, to bid you farewell, to say goodbye. Isn't that nice? It is nice. وداعا. وداعا. Here we are. Another set of common verbs in the past tense, present tense, imperative, and the verbal noun, as well as some illustration with the short sentences or phrases. Please continue learning this, and thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe. Subscribe before you go. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. And send the link for me to your contact. And don't forget that to reach out to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. There's a link below. Please click and make donation. And thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very, very grateful. شكرا جزيلا. شكر الله لكم. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. الله معكم.